Hello everybody, welcome back and let's learn lesson 82. I had. Sağollaşmışlar. 81'nin davam bo'lgan. 82 darsni bir takrorlab o'taylik. Buni bulanma jumla shaklida I had degan bir takrorlab o'tdi. Uni qaranglar. Bunda bir necha yangi so'zlar bor. Yangi so'zlar o'rgangan ekan. Biz mushu mashq orqali oldingi mazmunlarni, bir hukmlarni bir texnik tutulsak. Birinchisi mesela breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Endi bu yerga break degan so'zning ayrim ma'nosi buzmoq degan gap. Keyinlik fast degan so'zdan ko'rsanglar, ro'za tutmoq, Ramazon tutmoq degan gap. Endi bu chet ellikning nazarida hamda kechichi tomoq yemagini hamda bularniki farz tutqini, ro'za tutqini bo'lgan. Hamda attegalik tomoqqa qarasanglar, shu ro'za tutgan ro'zasini buzadigan, shunga break bo'g'achqini nima deydi desanglar, breakfast deydi. Breakfast. Bu breakfast deganlik nashtalik. Bizning g'oyaniki breakfast English deb bir programmamiz bor. Nima? Nashtalik ingliz tilida, cho'q. Mushunga o'xshash hamda breakfast deganimiz ham deymishlar. Nima desanglar, nashta qilmoq degan gap. Nashta qilmoq. Qaranglar, we have breakfast at 7:30 yoki 7:30. Biz 7:30 minut o'tganda nashta qilamiz. Endi men oddiy hozirgi zaman nimani bildirdi desanglar, shu davomli bo'lib o'tilgan sharkatda. Demak, hamda davomli 7:30 bilan qanaqa qildi desanglar, nashta qildirgan gap, nashta qildirgan gap. Okay. So next one is, where is she having breakfast? U qayerda nashta qilyotdi? Okay, bu yerga have breakfast. Nashta qilmoq. Nashtalik yemak degan gap, bu yerga have ning ma'nosi kelsa. Okay, and birinchisi, drink some milk for my breakfast. Okay. Endi men nashtaliqimga azroq sut ichay. Yana for uchun degan gap bu yerda, I drink some milk for my breakfast. Men nashtaliqimga qanaqlay azroq sut ichay. Yana sut ichay, drink. So we left for work after breakfast. Okay, and biz nashtadan keyin xizmatga ayrildik yoki xizmatga mangdiq degan gap. Mana left for school. And the left for ma'lum bir o'rinda desa, shu yerga yo'lga chiqmoq, shu yerga mangmoq degandan derak beradi savollashlar. Okay, keyingisi, Sam, the breakfast is ready. Okay, Sam, breakfast tayyor bo'ldi. Okay, is breakfast ready, Carol? Okay. This is Sam ready deb tushunamiz. Tom never has breakfast. Okay, Tom azaldan qanaqamay nashta qilmaydi. Demak, have breakfast and mashqin jasht birlik o'g'ach has o'zgardi. Demak, hamda bu yerga breakfast deganimiz nima desanglar, nashta. Anat savolashda tush tomoq degan nima deydi? Dabaqlar lunch, right? It's called lunch. And kech tomoqni dinner. Okay, kech tomoqni dinner. All right. Next one is haircut. Okay, haircut. Xo'sh, endi haircut, hair deganimiz choch degan gap, cut degan kesmak, haircut bo'lsa nima desanglar, choch yasatmoq. Okay, hair cut. And hair brush bo'lsa, buningki hair deganimiz choch, brush deganimiz hamda nima desanglar, cho'tka yoki tag'oq degandek. Demak, hair cut degan bo'lsa, choch yasatmoq, choch oldirmoq, hair brush degancha. Bu tag'oq. Okay, what about the hairdresser? A dresser deganimiz hamda shu nusxa keltiruvchi yasovchi shunami? Hairdresser degan satrach. Hairstyle. Okay, style, Gangnam style deb degan bo'lsa shunami? And the style deganimiz hamda shu uslub degan gap shunami? Unda hairstyle deganimiz choch pasoni, chejining uslubi degan gap. Okay, haircut, hairbrush, hairdresser, satrach, hairstyle. Okay, and have a haircut. Have a haircut. Bu nima desanglar? Qanday desanglar? Uningki choch yasatmoq, have a haircut. Endi qaranglar, he has got a cool haircut. He got a cool haircut. Demakchi, u nice payzi chechini yastabopti. Okay. Mesela the boy's haircut is funny. Okay, bu balninki choch kapas yasshi yoki chechni yastabolish qanday desanglar, intayin qiziqarli debdi. Kulgisini odamning kulgisini keltiradigan. Funny degan gap, Okay. How often do you have a haircut? Qanchalik vaqtda bir qatim chechingizni yastasiz? Desa, 1000 yilda bir qatim. Жақсақа. Okay, hamda shu masalan once a week, after bir qator once a month, oyda bir qatim yoki once 2 months demakchi. Ikki oyda bir qatim degandek shunami? Deganda shu qanchalik chaqsotini so'radi shunami? Demak, men yerga here have a haircut bo'lsa, chaqsotmoq. Masalan, I must have a haircut. Men chaqsot masalan bo'lmadi. Chaqsotishim qanday kerak degan gap. I must have a haircut. So you do not need to have a haircut. Nima? Siz qanday qilishingiz zaruriyat yo'q. You do not need to have a haircut. Siz chaqsotishingizki o'rni yo'q. Yasatmasangiz bo'ldi degan bo'ldi. Okay, next one is party. Party. What is the party? Party degan yig'ilish, o'tirish. Bizniki choy deymizmi? Ammo shuni deymiz, sana party deymiz. Ammo join the party. Join degan qatnashmoq. Party shu partiya demak choy qatnashmoq. Yoki shuni qatnashmoq. Ammo party Uyg'urcha partiya deb qo'ymizmi? Shu partiya yig'ilish tashkilotmi o'xshashini party bo'ladi. Go to the party. Yig'ilishga bormoq yoki nima choyga bormoq degan gap. Ya'ni go to the party. Okay, enjoy the party bo'lsa, demak shu yig'ilishda xushalik bilan o'ynamoq degan gap. Enjoy the party. You know, they always meet at a party. Ular doim yig'ilishda qanday qildi? Uchrashidi, ko'rishidi degan gap bo'ldi. They always meet at a party. Meet at a party. So, did they meet them at the party? Did you meet them? Okay, I met o'p qapti. Asla meet bo'lish kerak. Oldi o'tgan zaman bo'lgan ekan-ku, xato bo'lib qapti. Kechiringlar. Did you meet them at a party? Siz ular bilan nari ko'rishganmi? Party yig'ilishda ko'rishganmi? Did you meet them at a party? Yet after the party we went home together. Biz yig'ilishdan keyin qana uyga birga qaytdik. We went home together. We went home together. We went home together. Okay. So we welcome you to join the party. Biz sizniki yig'ilishimizga qatnashishingizni qanday qilamiz? Qarshi olamiz. We welcome you to join the party. Welcome you to join the party. So we enjoyed the party last night. Biz tunukinki yig'ilishda choydan aytdi. Payzi qanday qildik? O'yindoq deydi. Okay. Next one is holiday. Okay, holiday. Holiday deganimiz nima desanglar? Har xil dam olish kunlar, bayram kunlarini biz holiday deymiz. Masalan, summer holidays, winter holidays. Masalan, yozlik dam olish, demakchi yozlik ta'til, qishlik ta'til musharaka. Masalan, har xil dam olish kunlarida. Masalan, be on holiday bo'lsa, nima desanglar? Shu dam olish o'tkazish. Mesela u yerga sayohatga chiqish, u yerga armalash, nima? Ani go on a holiday, bir yerga sayohatga qanaqa qilmoq, deminishga bormoq, yoki take a holiday. Yeah, be on holiday, go on holiday, take a holiday. Mushunda desam bo'ldi, mishada. Men yerga they are on holiday in Dubai. Okay. Ular Dubayda qanaqa qilyaptilar? Damilish o'tkazayotdi. They are on holiday. Demakchi ular hozir nari demakchi, endi shu damilishda. Okay. Yana we are going to take a holiday. Biz damilish qanday qilmoqchi? O'tkazmoqchi. Okay. Where do you like going on holiday? Where do you like going on holiday? Sizning nega qanday qilganingiz bor? Bog'ingiz bor. Where do you like going on holiday? You know, we enjoyed every minute of this holiday. Okay, endi bu damilishning har bir minutidan qanday qildik? Biz huzur oldik. Okay, xushal quram o'yindik degan. Take a holiday. So, take a holiday. Okay, guys, let's practice. You know, in English, practice makes perfect. Ingliz tilida practice mashq sizningki qilayotgan o'rganishingizni mukammal qildi, qilayotgan ishingizni mukammal qildiradigan gap. Shunga bugungi darsimiz mashq qilib rewrite this sentence using drank, enjoyed, yourself, ate, eating, went for, ate, take degan mush so'zlarni ishlatib, bir jumla qayta yozib baqir ekanmiz. Masalan, misol qarab boqaylik. I had a cup of coffee. Endi bu yerga have degan so'zning ma'nosi ichmak degan gap. Endi have degandan necha xil ma'nosi bor? Masalan, yemak, ichmak, chakmak, Ona degandan munchuga tushmakdan oldiga kelib munchuga tushmak, suv uzmak degandek, masalan bayram o'tkazmak degandek ma'nolar bor. Mushlarni yana boshqa xil bir usulda. Demak, masalan, I had a cup of coffee deganimiz, and I drank a cup of coffee. Men bir stakan qahva ichdim. Degan o'xshash, mushlarga o'xshash ifodalaydi ekanmiz. Ana savdosi qarab qo'yinglar, keyingisi nima ekan desanglar, they had a meal at a restaurant. Ular oshxonada tamoq yedi. Demak, endi mushari yedi degan nima desanglar, eat asli buni o'tgan zaman shakli ate. Demak, they ate a meal at a restaurant. They ate a meal at a restaurant. Okay, number 2. We had a holiday last month. Okay, endi men yerga go for a holiday deb o'tgan o'tgan zaman bo'lsa, we went for a holiday last month. Biz o'tgan oy dam olishga bordik, dam olish o'tkazishga. Okay, number 3, have a biscuit. Okay, have a biscuit. A biscuit, endi men yerga nima desanglar? Take a biscuit. Take a biscuit. Take a biscuit. Nima deganga bo'ldi? Shu pechenye ham. So you had a good time. Demaganda bu xushal quram o'ynamoq deganga, endi yana birga enjoy yourself, himself deb aytdi. You enjoyed yourself. You enjoyed yourself. You know, they are having their lunch. Ular kechki tamoqni, tushki tamoqni qanday qiladi? Yeydi. Demak, yeydi de eating nima? They are eating their lunch. Ular tushki tamoqni yeydi. Number 6. I had a glass of milk. Okay, endi men bir stakan sut ichdim. Demak, I drank a glass of milk. I drank a glass of milk. Okay, next. And to end the game, we should tanlashdan tanlab qo'yinglar. Masalan, how was your weekend? Great. Wait, qanday qanday bo'ldi? So we actually called this. We a picnic by the lake. Biz ko'lning yenida dala tamoqni qanday qildi? Yeydi o'shnami. Endi men yerga zaman jihati o'tgan zamonga tayyor, shunga nima? We had a picnic. Okay, demak hamda biz picnic yedik. Number 2, what are you doing, Carol? Okay, what are you doing, Carol? Carol, demiş what says? I dinner with my friends. Demek ki ben yağıttım. Anda hazır bulavatkan senden cinsing ayettim ersam fakat değilim. Müşahede doğru. I am having okay, dinner. So what did you have for lunch at the restaurant with your uncle today? And bugün tağınız bilen restoranda, yani aşxanada, nimiydiniz şu tamakka desa, we roast beef and potatoes. And the mağut zaman jatım ötken zaman tabi, we had roast beef and potatoes. Biz qaqlangan kalıbı şöyle, yang yoydu, qaqlangan yang yo. Okay, number 4, please rest outside the room, it's too windy. Okay. Endi demakchi sirt havoyi tayin bo'ronliq, shamolliq nima? Yani ammang degan gap borda. Mana qilmang degan nima? Have a rest deydi tamam. And them ammang bo'lsa, don't have a rest, nada outside the room. Sirtda talada qanday qilmang? Davomang, chunki talabek bo'ronliq, shamolliq degandek. So answer these questions. Use had, having, must have, or going to have. Mushlarni ishlatib, sizlar shu savollarga javob berib qo'yinglar. Masalan, alaylik, what is he going to do? Endi bu be going to orqali so'ralsa, u nima ish qilmoqchi desa, he is going to, and then we had a glass of whiskey. And a glass of whiskey bo'lganda ichmoqchi, nima? U bir stakan whiskey ichmoqchi. Demak, she is going to have a glass of whiskey. He's going to have a glass of whiskey. So they are having lunch. And the javob berilib shuna savol nima desanlar? Demak, what are they doing? What are they doing? Nima? Lunch. Okay, and the king said, what did they do? Ular nima ish qildi? Dinner. And the kech tamoq yapdi-ku shunami? They had dinner. Okay? And what must they do? A meal. Okay, they must have a meal. And then bir vaqt tamoq yeyishi kerak. So what is he doing? Okay, you know, he's having a bath. Munchaga tushmoqchi. So what did he do? Nima ish qildi? Haircut. Demakchi, have a haircut degan charch yasatmoq. U chechini yasatdi. O'tgan zaman shakli. He had a haircut. He had a haircut. So what must she do? Endi u nima ish qilmoqchi? Ya'ni tea bo'lganki ichmak shunami? She must have tea. She must have a tea. So he's going to have a good time. So what is he going to do? A good time. Yaxshi bir vaqt o'tkazmoqchi. All right. That's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.